Secret uses of vinegar that few people know of. 1. You can undress by mixing white vinegar with water and spraying the garment. 2. Clean kitchen towels by boiling them with a mixture of vinegar and water. 3. Uncloth in front of your eyes, spraying and drying with a microfiber towel. 4. If you mix an apple cider vinegar cup covered with plastic wrap, it will attract and catch flies. 5. Eliminate bad smells from the bathroom by placing bread soaked in vinegar in the trash can. 6. Clean the scratches on the walls by applying white vinegar in the area. 7. You can avoid the bad smell by soaking clothes in vinegar. This preserves the color and eliminates bad smell from them. 8. Feet absorb a lot of stress, becoming callous and rough over time. Vinegar relaxes and softens. Soaking for just 15 minutes will be more than enough to eliminate fungi and bacteria and soften. Subscribe for more tips.